Do you want to connect to the simple, playful, and natural way of expressing your authentic voice beyond judgments and limiting beliefs? My name is Marlia, and I'm facilitating an online 4-week vocal activation and coaching program supporting you on your journey of reclaiming the full power of your voice. Starting on Monday, the 6th of June, we will embark on a journey of 21 days of vocal training plus 4 live Zoom calls with the option of also receiving private coaching sessions. You will have access to one 30-minute vocal practice per day to open your voice, feel free in your body, and activate your creative expression, to guide your voice to its fullest potential and access your unique vocal codes under the influence of divine energy. And once we tune into this energy, we feel liberated within and have a positive impact on the world around us. So if you desire to improve your vocal skills and cannot spend more than half an hour each day, if you're a singer unsatisfied with the sound of your voice, a speaker who feels your voice is hoarse or tired, weak or scratchy, if you've abused or strained your voice in the past, this course is for you. If you're an aspiring singer who wants to unfold your vocal potential, or an intermediate singer who wants to take your singing voice to the next level, those of you who want to connect more to your creative expression, and light beings who are interested in light language, channeled sacred songs and transmissions, then this 4-week Rising Voice course is for you. During the 4 weekly live Zoom calls, providing the replays if you cannot make it live, I will be guiding the group through vocal alchemical practices focusing on all physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of the frequency of your voice and how to merge that with the voice of others. Together we rise in a supportive network of light-hearted people. And from the 21 audio recordings, you can expect your voice to become fuller, more resonant, more beautiful, unblocking your throat chakra, singing with more relaxation, to have access to a wider vocal range, to sing your favorite songs and enjoy the sound of your own voice, to feel more comfortable and confident about your voice and your vocal presence. You will learn more about diaphragmatic breathing, vocal anatomy, how to use vocal dynamics and flow with improvisation, emotional freedom, and expression in song. And on the emotional level, gather fragments of your soul which have been fragmented through lifetimes and reconnect with Source Creator. For those of you who wish to connect deeper on a spiritual level, the space is open for light languages, the delicate art of channeling, connection to your spirit guides, and gaining confidence in transmitting your wisdom. You don't need to be a professional singer to participate, and you may choose between 3 options of participation. Tier number 1 is the vocal course only, tier number 2 is the vocal course plus the 4 Zoom calls, and tier number 3 is a vocal course, the Zoom calls, and 2 private coaching sessions. Read more info on this page, click on the link to reserve your spot. Fuel your creativity, enhance the richness of life, and connect to the healing power of your own sound. See you on June 6th. The voice is our bridge to the divine, our connection to the prayer we carry.